Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we keep you informed about the latest news from the electric vehicle world. Today, we're talking about Rivian's plans to build a $120 million supplier park in Normal, Illinois. That's right, folks. Rivian is expanding its operations and creating new jobs in the Midwest. So, what's behind this investment? Well, it all comes down to Rivian's plan to ramp up production of its midsize R2 electric SUV. The company's CEO, R.J. Scaring, says that this supplier park will be a key enabler to increasing production at the plant in 2026. And that's when we can expect to see the R2 hit the roads, priced starting at $45,000. Now, we know that Rivian has been expanding its operations in Normal for some time now, and it's clear that this investment is part of a larger strategy to boost production and make EVs more accessible to a wider audience. The company's goal is to lure new buyers at price points well below its first-generation SUV and truck, which cost upward of $80,000. But what does this mean for the community? According to Governor J.B. Pritzker, Rivian's investment will attract suppliers from across the globe to invest in Illinois, creating hundreds of new jobs. And that's not all. The company plans to construct an underground tunnel between the supplier park and the main plant, ensuring efficient operations while avoiding increased traffic on local roads. This is just another example of how electric vehicle manufacturers are investing in their communities, creating jobs and driving economic growth. At Electro Drive News, we're committed to bringing you the latest news and updates from the EV world. So stay tuned for more stories like this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all your Electro Drive needs. As we move forward, it's clear that Rivian is positioning itself for success in a rapidly evolving market. With the R2 on the horizon and this new investment in place, we can expect big things from the company in the years to come. That's what makes Rivian's story so exciting, and that's why we're here to bring it to you, right here on Electro Drive News.